little bite of baby food, I think. You want a little bite of baby food? Mm-hmm.
Is it going? Yeah, it's going.
Okay. You feed the babies a little. And come on, you gotta get a little. There you are. There you are. Good boy. Did you want it? You want a little bite more. You just want it because somebody else does. All right. Hold on, Donnie. Gives a little rash for another bite. No, Donnie.
Be nice, Danny. Hi, Tweaker.
He said, Mommy, I want a bite. What's that little one? What
Hi,
about
Donnie.
you? Whoop.
Whoop. Bone.
Wipe dish off a little.
Yeah, that's sterile.
I wipe it off. It just...
Yeah.
Tika got baby food on her.
Tika, can you cough?
She does that all night. Not all night, but at night to... Sometimes in the morning to let me know she's awake.
She do the fart noise, too.
Now let me see. Let me see if he's got any in him. Hold on here a little bit, baby. There you go. See? You got a little bit in there, but I'm going to give him a little more. Going to fill him up like an Exxon station, right? Hey, Tika. Oh, Tika. Oh, Tika. She says, Mom, what is that thing? Hold on. Hold on, Daddy. Come on, give you a little more. There, good boy. What are you doing, Donnie? Sucking up because she's jealous. I know you. What happened? Donnie got scared when those birds flew. Yeah, film those guys out here a little bit. Do you want to see
There's
your
the
baby?
parrots.
Do you want to see your baby? Okay, we got to give him another schnappful. Gives you another snap. Okay, hold on, just give him a little. Fill him up a little teeny bit more. See if he'll take a little bit more. Look at Teak. Teak likes to be on camera. There, I think he's had enough now. There, let's check his little craw and see if he's all filled up. Oh boy, look at his little fat. Looks like he's got his tummy in his throat.
It's all bulged out of me. There you go.
Okay, you want to hold him and I'll film you?
No.
Oh, come on.
No.
Okay. All right, thank you.